The meeting of the Chief Ministers of the Northeast with the Honorable Prime Minister, Defence Minister and Home Minister and Health Minister of Government of India was held today. In the 2-hour-long meeting, detailed presentation was given by the officials of Government of India, the Health Department, on the current status of positivity rate, as well as the vaccination and other factors and data related to COVID for the Northeast region and different states in detail. During the meeting, the different chief ministers of the state presented their status and the report of their state. Accordingly, when it came the turn for Meghalaya, I mentioned about the fact that the COVID wave is something that we have seen in the past also, hits the Northeast after the rest of the country. So therefore, this was something that was in expected lines in one way. It gave us the time to also prepare in terms of our infrastructure and oxygen supply and other factors. And we are seeing that we are at a point where things are plateauing now. We have seen a steady decline, but the decline has not been at the rate that we anticipated, and maybe because of the fact that we have a lot of scattered population. In the dense areas, we have seen the numbers come up immediately and then it went down. But then in the rural areas, we are seeing that the spread has been more and has been kind of taking more time to come down completely. So, but we are expecting that in the next few weeks that things should look much better than what they are today. The positivity rate has come down below 10% for Meghalaya state. We are seeing 2 districts as of now which are seeing 10 plus percentage of positivity rates. But the big concern for our state still remains our vaccination drive, and we are still below the national average in certain cases. Therefore, we are pushing that in a mission mode. We have asked the MLAs, MDCs, we have asked the different religious leaders, headmen, civil society, and all to help and contribute towards how we could enhance the vaccination drive. And we have seen positive results in the last few days, but we are very hopeful that we will see the rates of vaccination go up even higher in the coming weeks and months. And we are hopeful that if we are able to pick up to about 20,000 to 25,000 vaccinations per day, we should be able